Hello everybody, Luke from The Breakdown back once again to dive into how to easily make a beautiful newsletter online with Canva. Now, I've been doing a lot of newsletters over the years, and one of the things I've always struggled with is making them look beautiful. It's easy to put a bunch of text on a Word document. It's hard to make it look beautiful with pictures, and Canva actually makes that really, really easy. Now, you see here, I've just gone into canva.com. I'll put a link to this on the show notes down below. And I typed in newsletter, and it's popped up all kinds of different newsletters. We're going to break down some pros and cons, show you some quick tips, tricks, and more with this, and hopefully help you make a beautiful newsletter for your specific needs. Now, a few quick things. I'm not being paid for this. This is being done on my own review and my own subscription. I have paid for Canva for several years. Second, hey, if you like what we do here, do me a big favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. We do reviews, news, tips, tricks, and more here on The Breakdown. So, all right, let's dive into it. Now, a couple things here. You may notice there's some crown icons. This is Pro. This is not a free template. If you're a subscriber to Canva, you can get it for free here. But there are free ones. You see there are a bunch over here that are 100% free. No need to have a temp or a subscription to use, for example. But if you do get some additional things. Let's dive into this newsletter right here and say, yep, I like this one. They got some other variants down here we could pick from. But let's customize this template here, and we're taking a look at it now. There you go. You got some very easy to use things. You can add a page here and pull from different templates on it. This is actually a bad one because it only has one page. Let's go to a different one real quick. I know this one has multiple pages. You use this template. Here you go. Multiple pages already all set up in this. So you can see here, multiple pages with content. You can come in here and select this and edit it and replace it. You can move things around. Let's say you want this to be the first page. You can use the up and down arrows to do it. And let me zoom in here. And you can come in here and edit your text and have just beautiful different layouts with this however you want it, which is really nice. And you could say, oh, I need additional pages. Okay, so I'm going to select this page. I am going to duplicate the page. Now I got a second one I can create. Or, you know what? This newsletter is getting too long. Let me delete this page. And now I'm down to a 4-page newsletter. All kinds of super easy things. You can insert all kinds of different headers. You can change your fonts. You can drop in images through uploads, elements, all kinds of different types of graphics, videos, photos you can use. Let's see here. Look at all these stock photos you have access to through your Canva subscription. Again, some include Pro, some don't. Canva is probably by far, of all the newsletter programs out there, the easiest I've ever seen to create a print physical newsletter. And you can even email these out as PDFs. When you're all done, you just go in here to share, and you can send it access to different ways. You can go in here and download as a graphic, a printable PDF. This is what I usually do when I send a PDF, and more with this. So you can do all kinds of stuff with Canva, but check it out. Again, look at all of these templates you can get for free and paid, depending on what you want to do with them or how important they are to look nice to you. But just look at this, just template after template of very professional newsletters that not that long ago you would have had to pay a ton of money to get access to. You would have had to pay a designer to come make this. Now, in just a few minutes, you can make your own newsletter look beautiful and more. So check it out, Canva. I'll put a link to this page down in the show notes. If you like what we do here, check out the show notes, and in the first pinned comment, we appreciate your support.